Connecting your Facebook, Google, or TikTok ad account is all done in the same way. In this example, we will show you how to connect your Facebook ad account. To connect your Facebook ad account, click on the Connect Platform tab and tap Facebook, then tap Connect. Select your Facebook profile. Make sure you give permission to see your business pages. This will allow you to create ads for them. Next, select your ad account and tap Accept. You can now select your Facebook page and Instagram account. You can also select your campaign objective. And if you are in a special advertising category, you can select that here. You're now ready to create your ads. Connecting to Google, LinkedIn, and TikTok ads are all done in the same way. If you don't see your ad account linked, please make sure your Facebook profile you selected has access inside Facebook Ad Manager. If you don't see your Facebook pages, your Facebook or Instagram account is not linked to your ad account, you can link them in your Facebook Ad Manager.